Hey, food friends. Hope you all are doing well and are safe from eating hydraulic fluid. Because here we go again. We've got a massive produce recall affecting thousands of pounds of various produce because someone didn't notice a forklift was spraying hydraulic fluid on boxed produce until it was too late. So, a couple weeks ago, United Natural Foods Incorporated reported to the FDA that they discovered that their wholesale distribution network contaminated thousands of pounds of various produce, contaminating everything under the sun from kiwis to carrots to baby watermelons with hydraulic fluid from a broken forklift. So, first, let's call out the company that caused this massive produce recall, United Natural Foods Incorporated, which I might add has no notice of this on their website news page. They happily report their profits and how much they made their stockholders, but no word of the recall on their own site, which seems really irresponsible to me. And the fact that their website homepage shows their stock price and 2025 guidance first thing and not the actual foods that they sell tells me everything I want to know about this company. Now that we've called them out, let's look at what was contaminated and where it went. So, first off, this was wholesale distribution mainly in New Jersey, New York, Maryland, Washington, D.C., and Pennsylvania. But the product list is huge. And after contaminated, it was then sent to retailers and other food service companies. So, I feel we're going to see this recall feed down to stuff like salads, sandwiches, and other prepared foods in stores and food services, sort of how the egg and cucumber recalls last month forced recalls on prepared products made with them as well. So, the first contaminated produce reported are 10 different types of apples, two types of Red Delicious, three types of Gala apples, wax free Granny Smith, Fuji apples, Pink Ladies, and two types of Honey Crisps. And I'll add links in the description for all these so you can look up UPCs and case code numbers. The next most affected product are carrots, and there's a lot of them. First is Bolthouse Fresh Crinkle carrots, Rainbow Bunched carrots, and Green Top carrots as well, organic jumbo carrots, and three sizes of bagged ones, Wild Harvest Cello Bag carrots, Petite Mini carrots, and three types of baby carrots, including those rainbow baby ones. Included in this recall are two types of corn, both Florida bicolored sweet corn and Eastern bicolored tray pack. Also, Canada English cucumbers and wild harvest lemons and mandarins, three types of parsley, one strain of curly and two different types of Italian or flat leaf, three different strains of kale, including lacinato, bunch kale, and the OG2 strain, and also cases and cases of organic artichokes were contaminated. Bear with me here. This list is monstrous and we're just one third of the way through. Also contaminated were three types of broccoli, including OG2 bunched broccoli, Wild Harvest OG2, and OG2 broccoli crowns. Fresh OG2 Brussels sprouts and cases of Mexico OG2 asparagus were contaminated as well. We can also add to this contamination list four types of cabbage, both red and green Wild Harvest OG2 strains of cabbage, USA Mexico OG2 red and USA organic green cabbages, and also some cabbage relatives, USA organic bok choy and OG2 baby bok choy, and also Wild Harvest OG2 cauliflower. Can also add to the list three different celery products affected, including Wild Harvest sleeved bunch celery and celery hearts, and the OG2 naked celery strain as well. Also, bunch dill, bunch cilantro, collard greens, and green chard, all of the OG2 variety. Almost at the finish line, we're two-thirds of the way through. There's four different types of lettuce affected by this hydraulic fluid contamination: OG2 red leaf and OG2 green romaine. Also, the OG2 butterleaf lettuce, including the living butterleaf, which is sold with the roots intact. These were all affected. Also, cases of spinach, organic green onions, leeks, all of the OG2 variety as well. Lastly, affected and reported were cases of bagged OG1 radishes, California organic red beets, OG1 red beets, Mexico OG2 fennel, Mighty's OG2 kiwis, OG2 seedless mini watermelons, and South American OG1 Anjou pears. Hopefully, I got to this massive product recall soon enough to help raise awareness. I haven't seen a lot reported on this yet, and it wasn't made official till Thursday the 10th. It's not even listed on the current recalls on the FDA site yet. I had to find it by the case number for the actual submission. Thanks for watching and sticking around, y'all. If you like the news and recipes I'm posting here for food awareness, please like and subscribe. Also, drop me a comment, let me know what else you're interested in. I'm working through a backlog of recipe requests and trying to stay current on important food news, but I'm always happy to add more to the list. Have a great one, everyone. Be safe, don't eat hydraulic fluid. Peace.